Going to do a little mechanicking video today. So this forwarder, the air conditioning system's not working. It's just blowing hot air. The heater tap is stuck on hot. It's not coming back. Common fault with them after they get a few hours on. And also this sensor that goes in the back and gives you the condenser thing, sensor pressure, sensor temperature. That's also playing up. So, which we've done a few of these lately. I don't know what the go is, but I'm going to change that one out too. So I've got to take this back cover off on the cab and get some cold air happening. So to get this off, we've just got 13mm bolt there, a couple of 13mm under here, another one there. Got to take this cover off here with some Torx bits, and then there's a couple of bolts behind there too, and then that will just pop off. Alright, so they're all off. We can pull that cover off. Alright, this in here is the heater tap. I blocked it off with some bolts to try and get it to stop blowing the hot air, but still wasn't really ideal on a hot day. So I'm going to undo them. Take out that one, replace it, and then this is the sensor that I was talking about that we've been having some grief on the other machines with. So I'll change that one out too. We just need to undo that electrical connector as well. We've undone the hose clamps at the back, so then we'll be able to just pop that off and pull it out. We'll also lose a bit of coolant in this process. Alright, so it's a good thing that I got a new one, because that little barb just snapped off. Lovely. Good thing I got a new one. There's the branch banker. Alright, lost a little bit of coolant there, but not too bad. It's handy doing this when it's cold. You don't want to do it when it's hot. For one, the coolant's hot, and two, you got more pressure in the system. Alright, they're on. Now I'll pull out these bolts. I'll do this one at a time so we don't lose too much coolant. Alright, now that's all in there. We'll just change out this sensor real quick. At least this one's pretty easy. Just undo that bracket, pull it out, disconnect it. Now I'm not a technical expert, but you can see the new one on the left, that coating, bronze coating is, or copper coating, whichever one it is quite a bit more significant than the right one. So I'd say that's where our issue lays. Righto, all fitted up. Now we'll just start it, make sure there's no leaks. Alright, so it was only, that's just a bit of condensation, but it was only this hose clamp here. Someone didn't do that tight up enough. Anyway, I got it tight now, and we can put the cover back on, top up the coolant, and we'll be right to go. So we lost a little bit of coolant in the process, so I'll grab me good old Yeti and just fill it with water, because we haven't lost that much. And no, this video is not sponsored by Yeti. I just love them. But if Yeti, if you're watching this and you want to sponsor me, go ahead. The good news is that the aircon's working like mint, so no more saunas for me.